Good morning, dear student. Welcome again in Sanskar Science Academy online classes. So, dear student, in previous class, I told you structure of stamen. So, simply, what is stamen? Just you can say it is male reproductive organ of plants or flower. So, stamen is male reproductive organ of plant, especially it has three parts. It has three parts. It is complete stamen. First part is filament. Second part connective, and third part is anther. I repeat, filament, connective, and anther. Especially all three parts are very important, but anther is most important part of stamen. Why it is most important part? Because especially in anther, pollen grains are developed, and pollen grain develop the male gamete. Now, if in anther two anther lobes are present, it is anther lobe, two anther lobes are present, such type of anther is called as dithecus. I repeat, if in an anther two anther lobes are present or found, such type of anther is known as dithecus, and mainly it is found in dicot plants. If in anther only single anther lobe is present, such type of anther is called or known as monothecus, and monothecus anther is present in or found in monocot plant. Is that clear? So what is dithecus anther and monothecus anther? So your answer is, if any anther consists or have two anther lobes, such type of anther is called as dithecus. Especially it is found in dicot plant. If any anther have one anther lobe, so such type of anther is known as monothecus, which is found in monocot plant. In anther lobe, two microsporangiums are present. Simply, in single anther lobe, two microsporangium are present. So just I can say, in dithecus anther, four microsporangium are present. So especially in dithecus anther, four microsporangium are present, and in monothecus, two microsporangium are present. Now, next, especially structure of microsporangium. So next point is structure of microsporangium. Microsporangium is surrounded by four layers. It is microsporangium and surrounded by four layers. Outermost layer is known as epidermis. Second layer is known as endothecium. Third layer is middle layer, and fourth tapetum, and it is microsporangium. So another language, I can say microsporangium is surrounded by 4 layers. First layer is epidermis, second layer endothelium, third middle layer, and fourth tapetum. So what is the main function of epidermis? Especially it is outermost layer which is called epidermis, and it is single outermost layer. So especially epidermis is a protective layer. So main function of epidermis is production of a microsporangium. Now it is second layer which is called endothelium. This is endothelium. And what is the function of endothelium? Especially cells of endothelium, I repeat, especially cells of endothelium. It is endothelium. Cells of endotheliums are hygroscopic, so they absorb the water and help into the dehiscence of anther. So what is the function of endothelium? Main function of endothelium is it helps into the dehiscence of anther and helps into the releasing of pollen grain. What is the function of third layer, which is known as middle layer? Actually middle layer is multi-layered structure and it is temporary layer. Before the destroying, this layer provide the total nourishment to tapetum cell. I repeat, these are tapetum cell. It is microsporangium. So before the destroying middle layer transfer their total cytoplasm to the tapetum cell, and tapetum cell provide the nourishment of developing pollen grain. So what the pollen grain? Fourth layer is tapetum. It is also unilayered. The cells of tapetum are very big, have a big nucleus and with dense cytoplasm. यानी cytoplasm amount ज़्यादा है, nucleus बड़ा है और cells की size भी कैसी है, बड़ी है. So what is the main function of tapetum cell? Tapetum cell provide the nourishment of microspore. I repeat, tapetum cell provide the nourishment of microspore which develops into the microsporangium. Is that clear? Simply in tapetum cell, single nucleus is present. It means in the earlier stage, single nucleus is present in tapetum cell, but after the maturation, cells of tapetum become multinucleated. इनिशियल स्टेज में उनमें एक ही न्यूक्लियस होता है, बाद में न्यूक्लियस 2 हो जाते हैं. और क्या फंक्शन है टेपिटम का? तो ये पोलन ग्रेन को क्या करती है? नरिशमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है. ओके, नाउ दिस टेपिटम सेल्स have especially some hormones, enzymes, minerals, amino acid in cytoplasm, and it total this amount provide the nourishment of a pollen grain. Question: what happened if tapetum cell become destroyed before the development of a pollen grain or microspore? क्या होगा यदि टेपिटम सेल डेस्ट्रॉय हो जाए माइक्रोस्पोर बनने से पहले? सो सिंपली माइक्रोस्पोर का फॉर्मेशन तो होगा बट उनको नरिशमेंट नहीं मिलेगा. इट मीन्स विदाउट नरिशमेंट माइक्रोस्पोर और पोलन ग्रेन होंगे और ऐसी कंडीशन में वो स्टेराइल होंगे, उनमें ब्रीडिंग कैपेसिटी, रिप्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी नहीं होगी. इट मीन्स पोलन ग्रेन का जर्मिनेशन नहीं होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ tapetum is of 2 type. One is glandular tapetum and second is amoeboid tapetum. Glandular tapetum secrete special nourishment for the pollen grain like glands. So it is known as glandular tapetum, and glandular tapetum mainly found in maximum plant. And what is the function of Amoeba tapetum. Amoeba tapetum. The amoeboid tapetum, especially amoeboid tapetum, is present in Drosera and Typha plant, and it also provides the nourishment of developing pollen grains. Is that clear? So these are the types of tapetum cell. I repeat again. Stamen is male reproductive organ of the flower, and it is a modified of microsporophyll. Number 2, stamen has 3 parts: anther, connective and filament. Especially the pollen grains develops in anther. If any anther, 2 anther lobes are present, this type of anther is known as Dithecus, which is found in dicot plant. And if a single anther lobe is present in anther, this type of anther is known as Monothecus and present in monocot plant. Now, structure of microsporangium. So microsporangium, it is microsporangium. Microsporangium is surrounded by 4 layers: outermost layer epidermis, endothecium, middle layer tapetum. So what is the function of epidermis? It is protective layer. What is the function of endothecium? It helps into the dehiscence of anther after the maturation. What is dehiscence? Anther ka breast होना, फटना. Middle layer, it provides the nourishment. And what is the main function of tapetum? So tapetum especially provides the nourishment of developing pollen grain or microspore. What happened if tapetum cell destroy before the development of microspore? Is that clear? Now types of tapetum. One is glandular and second is amoeboid tapetum. Glandular tapetum found in maximum plant, and amoeboid tapetum is present in especially Drosera and Typha plants. So in next class, what is the function of tapetum? I discuss you in next class. Have a good day.